Installing a system board. Carefully hold the front guide pin and tilt the system board. Align the connectors with the corresponding holes on the front of the node and then gently slide the system board forward. Orient the system board with the 2 guide pins near the rear of the node and then carefully insert the system board into the node. Fasten the 7 Phillips No. 1 screws on the system board with a Torx screwdriver. Check the gap pads on both sides of the VR water loop and replace any that are damaged or missing. Align the VR water loop trough with the holes on the system board and then fasten the 2 Torx T10 screws to secure the VR water loop trough. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.